In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted design in Canva. If you've ever spent a lot of time on a design and then accidentally deleted it, don't panic. Canva has a built-in safety net that often lets you bring that design back, as long as you act within a certain time frame. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged in to the correct account where you originally created the design. This is important because your deleted designs are stored separately for each account, and you won't see the right items if you're signed into a different profile. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with options like Projects, Templates, and so on. In that menu, look for the option called Trash. This is Canva's version of a recycle bin, and it holds items you've deleted for a limited period before they're permanently removed. Click on Trash. When the trash page opens, you'll see a list or grid of everything you've removed recently, including designs, folders, and sometimes other assets. Take a moment to scroll through this area and look for the design you want to restore. If you remember the design's name, that will make it easier, but you can also recognize it by its thumbnail preview. When you find the deleted design you want to bring back, hover your mouse over it or click on it once to select it. You should see an option such as Restore or a small icon that indicates recovery. Click Restore. Canva will then move that design out of the trash and back into your main projects area. After restoring, go back to your projects or all your designs section from the left-hand menu. Your recovered design should now appear there, usually in the same place it would have been if it had never been deleted, often near the top if it's one of your most recent items. Open it to confirm everything looks the way you expect, and then continue editing or download it as needed. Keep in mind that items don't stay in the trash forever. Canva keeps deleted designs only for a certain amount of time before permanently removing them, so it's best to check the trash as soon as you realize something is missing. And to avoid future problems, consider naming your designs clearly and organizing them into folders so they're easier to find and less likely to be deleted by mistake.